Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ̀yin wa. So ní báyìí a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ráńpẹ́ nípa ìtàn Python programming language. Guido van Rossum lórúkọ ẹni tí ó develop Python programming language. Ó dẹ̀ develop ẹ̀ ní late 1980s. So that is, let's say, around 1986, 1987, 1988, 1989, 1990. So time yìí ni Mr. Van Rossum develop Python programming language. Ìdí dẹ̀ ni wípé Van Rossum aim láti create a programming language tó wà readable and versatile. Programming language tó easy láti learn, easy láti understand. Dẹ̀ touch so many areas, cut across so many areas, yaba so many things, so many things. So now, Van Rossum focus lórí simplicity and readability. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Python tá bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ training yìí, gbogbo wa la máa rí pé Python syntax code is actually readable and it's simple. The simplicity and readability is a key feature of it. And also it fosters a community-driven open source culture. Everybody ló lè ṣe kíni ló lè contribute sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni anybody lè contribute sí. So far téèyàn bá ti mọ̀ nípa Python èèyàn lè contribute sí because ó ní open source yes, open source culture. That is extremely it's just the key to it. And yet it's a powerful yet accessible programming